Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing to see what we got in this month's Boxycharm. And I said hopefully that I'd be able to try the products out the next time for the second box. But as you can see, I did my makeup to record the video and I won't be able to try them out again. But I have to try to remember. But anyways, before this video gets long, let's go get started. So as you guys know, this is how the box looks. And when you open it up, I had already opened it up. Like this, and it brings the products. So, first thing I see here is a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I feel like these are gonna be a little bit dark for me, but we'll see. So that's one thing. This Boxycharm is called the Boxycharm Stellar. I don't know. And it tells me the products and that it brings and everything. So the next thing I see here is some Boxycharm brushes. This is how they look. And there's also another one in here. Smaller version. I don't know what these are for, to be honest, so let me see. This is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. They are normally $35. Dang. Next here I see the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette. See? You guys, these colors are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. They're so beautiful. This palette usually is costs $35 as well. Guys, I like this part. So it feels so nice. Can't wait to use it. The next thing is the Caprese Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I already used this. It feels nice. I like it. It's in this white bottle. I already opened it, as you guys can see. Like this. This usually costs $90. Damn. That's a lot. The next here is the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in the shade Date Night. Ooh, this is a nice color. See that? It's a nice vibrant red. This liquid lipstick cost $18. Wow. Then the last things I see are the morning Google Eye Mask Brighten and Protect and the evening Goggle Eye Mask Repair and Relax. So I got these two. And these usually are, well, these are $12. I think $12 each. Or it says Vitamin Squiz. I don't know how to pronounce that. Morning and evening eye mask set. So I think the set of two, so it costs $12 for these two. But yeah, guys, this is all that I have in the box. Nothing else. I'm really excited to try out the Dominique Cosmetics palette. I've never had one of her palettes before. This is the first one I actually have. These are really nice colors. I actually want to see this one. Like a pretty pink fuchsia color. I like it. It's really nice. But yeah, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I know these videos are kind of short, but hopefully I get better at them. And for those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription makeup box that brings worth $200 of makeup when it only costs you $25 a month. And each month you get a new box with new products, and you get to try them out. And if you like them, you're able to buy them on their website. But that's all, guys, for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.